Hello friends, today I am doing simple and easy experiment which is FEVIKWIK. This is baking soda. This baking soda we will mix up with the water, one empty glass for experiment. It is a simple and easy experiment which is this is FEVIKWIK. It is also same thing. It's a big one. It is a FEVIKWIK. It's a FEVIKWIK. It is small. It is small. This is big. We will keep it 25 ml, which is more. So I'll keep it one more thing. The baking soda 1 tablespoon. I'll be add with water. Now it is mixed. I will keep it aside. And one more thing, I'll be empty glass of this one. This two is equal, so there is no issue. So now I can put it the baking soda and this one. Now two equally I'll be inserted. This one also. Now you can check it. What the reaction under the baking soda and FEVIKWIK? How this is reaction? Wow! Wow! Very nice. Oh, very heated. Like this, it is getting like this shape. Wow, very nice experiment. It's simple. Oh, wow. Oh. Very tighten. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.